Hey everyone, welcome back to your trusted source for Social Security and retirement benefit updates. Today, we're diving deep into something that affects millions of American seniors across all 50 states, recent changes and proposals that could impact your Social Security benefits. What I'm about to share might surprise you, especially if you've been keeping track of your monthly payments. Did you know that Social Security has undergone several significant changes in recent years? From cost of living adjustments to new proposals being debated in Congress, there's a lot happening that could affect your monthly benefits. I've spent hours analyzing policy proposals, studying historical Social Security adjustments, and consulting with financial experts to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information available. In today's video, we'll explore the real impact of recent policy changes on Social Security benefits, break down current proposals being discussed in Washington, and show you exactly what these changes could mean for your monthly payments. I'll share actual examples of how different policies have affected real retirees' benefits and what you need to know to make informed decisions about your financial future. You won't want to miss this, especially if you're currently receiving Social Security benefits or planning to claim them soon. We'll cover strategies for maximizing your benefits, important deadlines you need to know about, and critical updates that could affect your retirement income. If you want to stay informed about your Social Security benefits and learn how to make the most of your retirement income, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm committed to bringing you accurate, timely information about your benefits without the hype or misleading claims. Let's dive into the facts and figures that matter to your financial security. All right, now that you're tuned in and ready to dive deeper, let's break down everything you need to know about this exciting $900 Social Security boost and how it ties into Trump's financial policies. First off, let's start with the why behind this initiative. The truth is, Social Security has been a lifeline for millions of Americans for decades, but it hasn't exactly kept up with the rising cost of living. From groceries to utilities, it feels like everything is getting more expensive, and that's putting a strain on retirees who rely on a fixed income. This extra $900 could be a game changer, providing much needed relief to seniors who've been feeling the pinch. But why now? You're probably wondering what triggered this decision. Well, part of it stems from ongoing discussions about how to address economic inequality and inflation. During Trump's presidency, his administration emphasized putting more money directly into the hands of Americans, especially seniors, who often bear the brunt of economic uncertainty. Even though he's no longer in office, some of these policies and ideas have had lasting effects on current financial programs. This $900 boost aligns with the broader goals of providing targeted relief to those who need it most, you, the hardworking seniors who have spent decades contributing to our society. Now, here's the exciting part. This isn't just talk. The logistics for rolling out these payments are already in motion. If you're eligible, this money could hit your account sooner than you think. So, who qualifies? Generally, it's for seniors already receiving Social Security benefits, but there are a few specific criteria that might impact when and how you receive the funds. For instance, your income level, current benefit amount, and whether you've enrolled in direct deposit can all play a role. If you're not sure where you stand, don't worry. We'll walk you through everything step by step. One thing that's worth mentioning is how this initiative is funded. A lot of people hear about programs like this and immediately think, where's the money coming from? Great question. This $900 boost is part of a broader effort to reallocate existing federal resources, specifically within the Social Security Administration's budget. By cutting down on inefficiencies and redirecting funds to the people who need them most, this program aims to make a real impact without adding to the national debt. And let's be honest, that's something we can all get behind. Now, if you've ever dealt with Social Security, you know it's not always the most straightforward process. But don't let that discourage you. The good news is that this boost is designed to be as seamless as possible. If you're already enrolled in Social Security and meet the eligibility criteria, you might not need to do anything at all. The payments could be automatically deposited into your account or mailed to you, depending on your setup. However, it's always a good idea to double check your information to make sure there are no hiccups. Imagine waiting for that extra $900 only to find out there was an issue with your account details. No one wants that. Another thing to keep in mind is the timeline. While many people will see their payments arrive in the coming weeks, others might experience delays depending on where they live or how their benefits are distributed. If you're worried about missing out, don't be. Just make sure your contact information and banking details are up to date with the Social Security Administration. And if you haven't signed up for direct deposit yet, now might be the perfect time to do so. Not only is it faster, but it also reduces the risk of lost or stolen checks. Let's take a moment to talk about what this $900 could mean for you. For some, it might cover a month's rent or mortgage payment, providing a little breathing room in an otherwise tight budget. For others, it could go toward medical expenses, groceries, or even a long overdue treat for yourself. Whatever your priorities are, this money is meant to help you manage the rising cost of living and maintain a better quality of life. And let's face it, after everything seniors have been through in the past few years, from the pandemic to inflation, this relief couldn't come at a better time. But here's where things get even more interesting. This $900 boost is part of a larger conversation about the future of Social Security and how it can be improved to better serve Americans. During Trump's time in office, there was a lot of focus on reforming entitlement programs to make them more efficient and sustainable. While some of those ideas face pushback, others have gained traction and could lead to even more benefits down the line. This $900 is just the beginning. It's a sign that changes are happening, and seniors are finally getting the attention they deserve. Of course, no program is without its critics. Some people argue that this boost is a temporary fix and doesn't address the underlying issues with Social Security. Others worry about the long-term impact on the program's solvency. These are valid concerns, but it's important to remember that every little bit helps. This $900 might not solve all the problems, but it's a step in the right direction. And as more attention is drawn to the needs of seniors, there's hope that additional, more permanent solutions will follow. Now, let's address a question that's probably on your mind. What do I need to do to claim this money? The answer is, it depends. For most seniors, the process will be automatic. If you're already receiving Social Security benefits and your information is up to date, you won't need to lift a finger. However, if you recently moved, changed your banking information, or experienced any other major life changes, it's crucial to update your records with the Social Security Administration. This will ensure there are no delays or issues with your payment. And what if you're not sure about your eligibility? Don't worry, help is available. The Social Security Administration's website is a great resource, offering tools and information to help you determine if you qualify. You can also visit your local Social Security office or call their toll-free number for assistance. Remember, this money is yours to claim, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or need help navigating the process. While we're on the topic of navigating the system, let's talk about scams. Unfortunately, whenever there's news about government payments, scammers aren't far behind. They might try to trick you into sharing personal information or paying a fee to claim your money. Don't fall for it. The Social Security Administration will never ask for your personal information or payment over the phone, via email, or through social media. If something doesn't feel right, trust your instinct and report it to the authorities. All right, let's bring it all together. This $900 boost is an incredible opportunity for seniors to get some much-needed financial relief. It's part of a larger effort to address the challenges faced by retirees and ensure that Social Security remains a strong and reliable safety net. Whether you use this money to pay bills, cover medical expenses, or simply enjoy a little extra peace of mind, it's a reminder that your contributions to society matter and that help is on the way. So, as we wrap up, let me leave you with this. Stay informed, stay proactive, and make sure you're doing everything you can to claim the benefits you're entitled to. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Together, we can make sure every senior gets the support they deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.